We are asked to find the angles whose tangents in this case are as follows. Now, I have been able to prepare the table as I did for others. We shall then use the turntable to find the angles whose tangents are given below. And how do we do that? You go to the turntable, check out for angles whose tangents are these. So we shall start with A. We are asked to find the angle whose tangent is said to be 0.9910. So go to your turntable. The turntable seems to be different from the cosine and the sine table that have a range of 0 and 1. The turntable has a range from minus infinity to positive infinity. So we shall have values from 0 to infinity, and it comes again from minus infinity to positive infinity. But for the first quadrant, where we have angles from 0 to 90, you shall have the values of your turntable to range between 0 to infinity. So we shall be using it to find our values for our tan. So the first on our list is 0.9910. So we shall use our turntable 0.9910. So if you look at the values of tan theta, it ranges from tan 0 is said to be 0.000, and when you get to tan 90, it goes to a high value, 573.0. That's why I said it ranges from 0 to infinity. 9910, this is 0.9930, and before 0.9930 I have 0.9996. So this is 44 under 7. 44 under 7 gave us 9896, but we are looking for 9910. So we are going to find the difference. This is 4, this is 8, 10, 1. So we are looking for a difference of 14. Go to your table and check which gives you a difference of 14. And difference of 14 is said to be under 4. So therefore, our value for that 9910 is said to be 44 under 7 difference 4. Our answer therefore is said to be 44.74. So we have it as 44.74. B, we are looking for the angle whose tangent is said to be 0.7560. 7560. 7560. This is 7536, and this is 7563, which is more than. So we go with 7536, looking for a difference of 26. But we don't have 26, rather we have 25, which is closer, and we are going to pick it. So our answer therefore is said to be 37 under 0 difference 9. So our value is said to be 37.09. So it is angle 37.09 whose tan or whose tangent is said to be 0.7560. You can check that using your calculator. Next is 0.0079. 0079. So we shall 0079. So the closest is 0070, which is said to be 0 under 4, and a difference of 9 is said to be 5 under 5. So our answer in this case is said to be 0.45. 0.45. Next is 0.1415. What angle? We asked to find the angle whose tangent is 0.1415. Go to your turntable and check for 14, 15. 14, 15. We have 0.1405. Look for a difference of 10. When you work this way, we have a difference of 9. And the difference of 9 is said to be under 5. So our answer in this case is said to be 8.09. So this is 8.09. What this means is that tan 8.09 is said to be equal to or approximately equal to 0.1415. Next is 0.2515. 2515. 25, 15. This is 25, 12. Looking for a difference of 3. But I have a difference of 2. I can't pick a difference of 4 because difference of 4 will give me a number higher than that. So it's better you pick a digit lower than that. And this can be found to be 14 under 1 difference 1. So my answer in this case becomes 14.11. So this is 14.11. Next is 0.9451. 9451. 9451. So we have 9451, 9457, 9424. So we are looking for a difference of 27, and this is said to be under 8, so that our answer now is said to be 43 under 3 difference 8, leaving us with the answer 43.38. 43.38 as our angle theta. Next is 0.1111. We search for 1111. 0.1111. 0.1111. This is the closest. 1104, and we are looking for a difference of 7. Difference of 7 can be gotten from 4. So difference 4 gives us 7. So our answer becomes 6.34. So 6.34 is our answer. 6.34. The next is 8516, and 85 under 6. 8516, we have 8511, and that can be found under 40 under 4. Then we need a difference of 5 to make it 16, but there's no difference of 5, so we shall pick the closest number to give us 8516, which will be 8514, and that can come under difference 1, because when you add 3 to 8511 gives you 8514. The next will be 8517, which is higher than 8516. So we therefore pick the least value closer to it. So our answer can be said to be 40.41. So this is said to be 40.41. Now we have been able to use the turntable to get all the angles whose tangents have been given. You can also use your calculator to find this. All you need though is to press Shift tan any of these values, and it gives you the angles we have gotten. Same thing you can do for your sine and cosine. For the cosine, you press Shift cos the values that you have under cos theta, and it gives you the corresponding angles which may be approximate. Okay, and same thing with that of sine. These are the ways you can make use of your trig tables in getting the values for your sine, cosine, and tangent, as well as to find the corresponding angles whose sine, cosine, and tangents have been given. At the last class and in this class, I have dealt precisely on how to make use of the trigonometric table. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while we encourage you to subscribe to our channels if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. We also recommend that you use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult to you, and we'll be there to solve your problems. Also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this class. You can also follow us on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher, as well as on TikTok. Thank you for staying to the end of this class. See you in our next class, where we shall take more exercises on the application of trigonometry. Bye.